Imagine a peaceful farm in the morning. The sun is rising, cows are mooing, chickens are pecking the ground. It looks simple, right? But there is something important happening behind the scenes. That farm is actually following international rules to keep food safe. These rules come from ISO 22003, and today we are learning about Category A farming of animals. From milk to eggs to meat, everything starts here. Now we will talk about why food safety starts on the farm. You might think food safety is only about clean kitchens or food factories, but the truth is food safety begins at the farm. If animals are not healthy or clean, the food made from them can make people sick. That is why farms need to follow safety systems. ISO 22003 helped farms build strong systems to take care of animal health, hygiene and cleanliness. Now what is included in Category A? Category A includes any place where animals are raised for food. This means dairy farms with cows, poultry farms with chickens, fish farms, farms with goats or pigs, and even bee farms. If the animals give us milk, meat, eggs or other food, that farm comes under Category A. This category is the first step in the food chain. Now we will talk about the common risk on animal farms. Animal farms can face serious problems if they are not careful. For example, animals may get sick with diseases like bird flu or cow disease. If animals are given too many medicines, it can stay in the food. Dirty water or feed can make them sick. Poor waste disposal can spread germs. All of this can cause big problems for the people who eat the food later. That is why farms must be careful, and ISO helps them stay safe. What ISO expects from farms? ISO has clear expectations for animal farms. They must keep records of animal health and medicine. Make sure the animals get clean water and good food. Keep the workers and visitors clean. Track where the animals came from. Manage waste and pests. Be ready for emergencies. Everything must be written down and checked often. This helps farms stay in control and keep food safe. Now we will discuss what auditors do on animal farms. ISO auditors are the people who check if the farm is doing the right things. They visit the farm and check everything, from feed storage to how animals are treated. They ask questions like when was this cow vaccinated or where did this chicken feed came from. Auditors need a special knowledge of animals to do this job properly. They help farms improve and follow the ISO rules. Now we will talk about the real-life example for this. Let's talk about a dairy farm in India. Earlier, they didn't keep records and their milk sometimes had problems. After learning about ISO and Category A, they made big changes. They started using digital records, trained their workers, and followed better hygiene. Soon, they passed their audit and got ISO 22000 certified. Now their milk is safer, they earn more, and they can export products too. That is how powerful ISO can be. Now let's discuss the benefits of certification. Getting certified in Category A gives many benefits. It improves food safety, makes customers trust your farm, opens new markets for selling products, helps follow government rules, improves animal health and reduces sickness, increases farm income. In simple words, we can say that it turns a normal farm into a smart, safe and trusted farm. Now let's discuss the problems farmers face and the tips. Many farmers worry that ISO is too complicated. They may not have time to write records or don't know where to start. But small steps make a big difference. Here are some tips. Start with simple daily logs for feed and health. Train one person to keep records. Use mobile apps for tracking. Ask experts to do a mock audit. With some effort and the right help, any farm can follow ISO. So what did we learn today? The food safety starts long before food is cooked. It starts with animals on farms with care and responsibility. ISO 22003 Category A makes sure that farms raise animals in a clean, safe and smart way. It protects people, improves businesses and builds trust. So the next time you drink a glass of milk or eat an egg, think about the farm behind it and how ISO made it safer for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. In the next video, we will talk about Category B, farming of plants. So stay tuned and stay safe. I, Akansha Mishra, will see you in the next episode of TMB Academy.